How much should you actually spend on a mouse? Some people are satisfied buying the cheap ones, but others return the pricey models. It's a bit puzzling, but today we'll cut through the confusion and help you make the right choice.
Product number 1, UNIR Rechargeable Wireless Mouse. First up is the UNIR Wireless Mouse. Priced at just $12.59, this mouse caught my eye with its sleek matte black finish and ergonomic design. If you want a comfortable, budget-friendly option that won't leave you constantly changing batteries, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This mouse features a plug-and-play design, meaning you can simply plug the USB receiver into your device and start using it right away. No drivers needed. Plus, with a rechargeable battery and a visual battery display, you'll never be caught off guard by a dead mouse again. The adjustable DPI settings, 800 to 2400, mean you can customize the sensitivity according to your needs. Perfect for everything from precise document editing to casual gaming. Now, some people complained about the build quality feeling a bit cheap. Here's the thing though, at this price point, it's hard to find a mouse that combines all these features. If you're looking for something more premium, this might not be for you, but for everyday use, it does the job well. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want a reliable mouse that feels good to use. Skip this one if you're looking for a high-end gaming mouse or professional-grade hardware. For the price, it offers solid value. Now, if the lack of premium build quality bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, TechNet Rechargeable Mouse.
Next up is the TechNet Rechargeable Mouse, priced at $15.99. I was drawn in by its built-in jiggler feature and quiet clicks. If you're looking to enhance your work productivity without disturbing others, this mouse might be your new best friend. Here's why this mouse stands out. The built-in jiggler keeps your system active, which is a game changer if you're in a remote work environment and hate dealing with screen locks. Plus, it has an impressive 800 mAh battery that can last up to 90 days on a full charge. No more fumbling with batteries. With DPI settings ranging all the way up to 6400, it caters to everyone.
To wrap it all up, we looked at the UNIR wireless mouse for budget-conscious users, the TechNet rechargeable mouse for those who want extra features like the jiggler, and a reminder that the market is always evolving. Choosing the right mouse depends on your specific needs, so always consider what you truly value in a product.